Time for a new look? Here's how to remove your gel polish easily. This is everything you need for an easy removal. File away the top coat using the coarse side of the nail file. This way, the remover works more effectively. Soak the nail wipe or wrap with remover. Place the clip over the nail wipe or wrap the remover wrap tightly around your finger. This ensures that the remover doesn't evaporate and can work effectively. Let the remover sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can remove the clips or wraps from your fingers one by one. Gently push off the peeling gel polish from your nail with the wood stick. When the gel is not peeling yet, re-clip or re-wrap the finger and wait another couple of minutes. Use the finer side of the file to carefully remove any leftover gel. Going natural, you can now nourish your nails with cuticle oil. Apply the cuticle oil and massage it in to hydrate your cuticles. Strong nails waiting for the next look. Want to remove your gel polish faster next time? Use Peel Base. This way you can peel off your gel polish in just 1 minute.